Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to explaining and telling you the great tricks and shortcut keys about the MS Word. So watch the full video and know that how you can easily do these great tasks by just pressing few keys, and you will start feeling that you are a computer or laptop expert. Yes, you are listening very right. You will gonna become after this video a little bit of expert in your work and about computer and laptop. So watch the video and learn how to do with How to Do It.
First of all, what we have to do, we have to just open our MS Word, Office MS Word, and over here, as you can see, this is the interface of our MS Word. It may be MS Word 2007, 2010, 2013, any MS Word, no problem over here. Now, the first and the very important shortcut key is about I'm going to telling you something over here. Now what we have to do, we need a few paragraphs, randomly paragraphs, which we can use to tell you and give you example which tricks we are going to be know and using. Now what we have to first of all, we need many paragraphs. Then what we have to do, we have to just press equal to, and then we have to type rand. After that we have to start brackets, and now we have to type how much paragraphs we need. If we need 3 paragraphs, then we type three, and then we have to use a comma, and after that we have to tell that how much line should be in each paragraph. If we need 4, then we have to type 4. Now we have to close the bracket, and after that we have to press enter. As you can see, a paragraph are in front of you. This is a random paragraph from anywhere. Now if you want to do it again, I'm going to telling you that this is the trick and shortcut number 1. Yes, the shortcut number 1, you have to just do press equal to icon, and then we have to type rand, and after that we use bracket. How much paragraphs we need, type 4. If we need 4 paragraphs, how much line should be in each paragraph, we have to tell that, and then close the brackets and press the enter. As you can see, almost 3 lines are in each, and 4 paragraphs are over here. Now this was the trick number shortcut number 1. Now we are going to telling you the shortcut number 2. You are listening very right. We are going to telling you the shortcut number 2. That is very easy and very great for you. Keep in mind that many time it happens with us that we want to select these words, or we want to replace them, or we want to do anything with these, and if we want to delete them, then we delete them. I'm using this keyboard. When we want to delete these words, we press this backspace button, and by pressing one by one we delete these words. As you can see, we are deleting these. But if we want to delete these words, very easy trick. What we have to do, we have to just press the control along with shift, and then we have to use this arrow key. As you can see, a single word has been selected. If we want to select the other word, then we have to press it again. If we want to delete it, then we have to left the shift and other keys, and we have to click on this backspace key, or maybe use delete key too from our keyboard. Now if we want to do it again, we have to click the control button and then shift button, and then we use these arrow keys, and after that we want to delete it, we can easily delete it. If we want to do it backward, then I'm selected over here, and then we have to press the control shift and then backward keys, and it has been selected. When we press the back key, it will be deleted automatically. Hope you understand that how you can do so, and you know about this shortcut. Now we are going to telling you the third shortcut that is also a very important for you, and you are going to be amazed after knowing this. Now I'm going to telling you this. and how you can do. Over here, if you want to select whole the line, you select by this using your mouse, like this, by pressing the button, and you use this. But if you want to use without the keyboard, without the mouse and by keyboard, just you have to press the control and shift and then press the upper arrow key. As you can see, all the lines are selected. If you want to deselect upper line, then we use this backward arrow key. Hope you understand that how you can select a single line. By this you can easily select a single line. It's very easy. Use control shift and upper key. By this you can easily do so, and I hope you understand that how you can do this with your keyboard. And that is a great trick, that if you want to delete this, then you can easily delete by back pressing. And if you want to select and delete all the paragraph, you have to choose control shift and press the upper key and click on delete button. Hope you understand that trick number 3. And if you like this trick, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. I'm going to telling you the trick number 4, the shortcut number 4, that is also a great key and great for you. After knowing this, you will feel like that you are a computer expert. I think so, you will feel like this. Many times what is happened with us, that we are typing, and by mistake or by anything else we type anything wrong. But we do this by deleting backspace. You think that you want to delete this your, and you press this back key. Now what we can do in this condition, we don't have to press it again and again. You have to just press the control button and use the arrow key. I'm sorry, you want to I want to tell you the how you can shift to the next word. If you want to delete, if you want to delete overall and don't want to do delete this, then what you can do is only that use control and arrow key. You can jump over the key, jump over the word, and again you want to control, press the control, and like this you can jump over the word and you can easily do your work. Otherwise what we have to do, we have to take our mouse and come over here, and that is not a great trick that should be done by a expert or any computer knowledgeable person. Hope you understand the trick number 4, that how you can do so. Now we are going to telling you the trick number 5, that is also a great function that is used for deleting these words. What is we are going to telling you that is, many time it happens with us that we want to delete this backward key. What we use we go to over there and want to delete this word, then we use backspace key. If we want to delete the d, then when we go over there and press the delete backspace key. But if we want to delete these words, we have to just press the delete key and it will delete backward keys. Yes, you are knowing it very well. Backward words after the line you can delete by pressing delete, and if you want to delete the front side of word, you have to use backward. If you want to delete this side, then we have to press it, and if we want to delete this side, then we have to press delete key. Many time it happens with us that we want to delete the whole line after this word, then what we have to do, we have to just press the delete key and keep pressing it, and it will delete automatically. And if you want to delete a front side line till over here, then what we have to do, we have to just press the backward key and keep pressing it. We don't have to press it again. You don't have to do like this.
Hope you understand that how you can do these things. And if you understand this, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and tell about that how you like this video, and don't what do you want to know about this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. And don't forget to share with your family and friends, that they can know how to do these type of works. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.